Geometry EOC Test Release 2025. Question 8, Walkthrough. Inscribed angles and central angles.
Question 8 tests your understanding of the relationship between central angles and inscribed angles in a circle. Only 25% of students answered this correctly, which means most students are missing the key rule connecting the two. Let's break it down step by step.
An inscribed angle and a central angle are shown in circle C. Create an equation to show the relationship between x and y.
Here's the key idea you must remember. When a central angle and an inscribed angle intercept the same arc, the central angle is twice the inscribed angle. In other words, central angle equals 2 times inscribed angle. Let's identify the angles. X is the central angle because its vertex is at the center C. Y is the inscribed angle because its vertex is on the circle. Both angles intercept the same arc. Step 1. Apply the relationship. Since both angles intercept the same arc, we use the rule, the central angle is twice the inscribed angle. Step 2. Write the equation. So we write x equals 2y. The equation that shows the relationship is x equals 2y. Strategy reminder. On the Geometry EOC, any time you see one angle at the center, one angle on the circle, both touching the same arc, you should immediately think central angle is double the inscribed angle. Don't overthink it. This is a recognition problem. Spot it, apply it, and move on.